Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. And to this video, I will teach you how to adjust brightness on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, okay, tap the display. And display, okay, you can see the brightness. And okay guys, here you can adjust to the left to low the brightness. And okay, you can adjust to the right to high the brightness. And okay guys, okay, I decide to center the brightness. And okay guys, there are another option. Okay, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom to see the brightness adjustment. Okay, you can adjust to the right to high the brightness, or you can adjust to the left to low the brightness. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjust the brightness on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.